Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Van Isley, and it's been almost 2 months na hindi na ako nakaka-upload, so I'm terribly sorry. And wala na akong mga video like ML tutorials, yung mga unboxing ko, yung mga kalokohan, yung mga live ko, kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya ipagsabay yung module, yung pag-aaral, tas yung pag-vlog. So anyways, for today's video guys, today magre-review tayo kung worth it nga ba bumili ngayong October 2021 ng Oppo Reno5. So, Oppo Reno5 is announced noong December 2020 at nirelease ngayong January 2021. So, worth it nga ba bilhin ngayong October 2021? So, malalaman natin yan kapag nasatisfy na tayo. So, this is the box guys, Oppo Reno5. So, unbox natin muna. So, upon opening the box, the sliding boxing, you will see the logo of Oppo, the selfie expert. So, selfie expert nga ba to? Tingnan natin. So, ito yung box. At kapag binuksan natin to, makikita niyo dyan yung phone. Tapos, in-unbox ko na ito kasi nakikurious ako. So, anyways, disclaimer po, hindi po ito sponsored video. At, binili ko lang ito. So, upon opening the, you'll see the unit. So, it says, Oppo Reno5, AI mixed portrait and has dual view video. Oh. Parang narinig ko na ito noong Oppo X3 Pro. May mga dyan, mga ganitong features. So, AI highlight video and 50 watts flash charge. So, wala pang isang oras. Fully charge ko na at back to grind na tayo. So, it has 90 Hz of refresh rate display. So, another accessories guys. The box comes with 50 watts. So, a very good from Oppo. Excellent. Kasi, ito, Superbook ito. Superbook. Di maklaro. Yan. Superbook charge 50 watts. And dito na sa box. At may earphones, which is the very good side kasi nowadays wala na mga earphones yung mga phones ngayon. And power tie and USB Type-C. So that's all. That's all for the box. So let's go with the phone. So the phone is powered by Snapdragon 720G processor. So 8nm na siguro to. nm na yung processor chipset nito at 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM. So the display is AMOLED na, so up to I think 800 to 900 nits, which is very okay, and it has a fingerprint sensor in the display. So hindi na nasa side yung iba kasi sa Xiaomi at ibang phones andito na sa side, hindi to sa side, which is okay naman, pero mas prefer ko to kasi optical na. So try natin yung optical fingerprint sensor sa in-display. So ayan. So oops. So, ito guys, ito yung phone. So, full brightness na ito. Sorry, because you can see because of the ring light. Nag-reflect na yung lights, hindi na makaklaro na ng yung phone. The battery capacity pala nito guys is 4,310 milliamperes, which is a very good and very okay, which is very compatible with 50 watts charge because it can charge at least 45 minutes from 0 to 100. Let's talk about the camera tayo. So the camera sensor, the main camera is 64 megapixel, which is a very good. Okay, so try natin yung 64 megapixel. 64 megapixel na ba ito? I-on natin. Ayan. So, i-attach natin dyan. Which is, ching! So, back to the front camera. Front camera is powered by 44 megapixel. So, ayun. Wait. Let's try a better angle. Ayun, lip bite, lip bite. So, ayun. I-attach natin dyan. So, let's go to gaming. Gaming na tayo. So, let's go. So, as I've said, this is powered by Snapdragon 720G, which is a very old processor, but the very optimized one. What do you mean by very optimized one? It's the very optimized, guys, because may Redmi Note 9S ako noon. At hindi ko masasabi na ang very good na performance because I experience mostly of lags. What do you mean by lags? Because yung lags, guys, yung nag-drop ng FPS, yung multitasking niya, kahassle talaga kasi hindi siya ganun ka optimized because of the updates of Xiaomi. Daming bugs, daming bloatwares. Anyways, let's go to gaming na. So, let's try Call of Duty. So, ito yung guys, interface, yung display ng Oppo Reno5 sa Call of Duty. So, try natin kung anong nasa niya, graphics. So, pwede siya sa very high. Yung graphic quality niya pwede sa very high, at very high din yung frame rate. So, kapag i-max natin yung frame rate, automatically, guys, sa high lang po siya. Ayan, makikita niyo yan. Sa high lang po siya. So, try natin yung very high frame rate sa rank match. Yan mga lodi. So, try natin isang game. Isang game lamang. So, kung nagtataka kayo kung ano ito yung mga modules namin, guys. Modules, yung mga SAS namin, at yung anong klaseng course code. Ito yung biochemistry namin. Tapos ito, normal psychology. So, enough with the shits. So, yung frontline tayo. Crash! Sana hindi laggers. So, yun. Frontline. 8047. So, hindi ako pro nito Hindi ako kagaya ng mga streamer diyan. Target down. Friendly shock RC is coming. Ayun. Stealth chopper on standby. Sentry gun deployed. Wala! Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Hindi namatay. Kala ko. Shit! Ayun. Lapit na. 23 kills na tayo. So, ayun yung gaming performance ng Oppo Reno5 sa Call of Duty. So, overall, guys, let's go to honest review na tayo. Yung overall review ko. So, let's go to advantage and disadvantages on buying this phone, Oppo Reno5. So, let's go to advantages. So, the advantages dito, guys, kasi yung quality niya, guys, hindi siya hindi siya cheap looking, it's premium looking, guys. It's a premium looking, I tell you, because I don't know, basta premium looking, di ba? Pwede niyo ipagyabang yung mga phones niyo sa mga kaibigan niyo, yung mga chismosa sa labas. Ganyan kasi, hello, daddy, ano ba, daddy, kunin mo na ako dito here. So ayun guys, yung build quality niya, at napakagaan despite of 4,310 milliamperes. And why you should buy it, because advantages nito guys is build quality, display which is AMOLED na, gaming performance, multitask, yung camera. So ayun, so let's go to disadvantages. Why you shouldn't buy this? You shouldn't buy this because of the price. What do you mean by the price? You are telling me that it's a very good one phone. Yes, this is a very good one phone, but it is a very pricey for the for a phone. What do you mean? Because sa price point nito, pwede ka na bumili ng Poco F3. Bumili ng Poco F3 which is anong processor nun? 865 ba yun? Yung Snapdragon. At ayun, pwede ka na bumili kasi ano bang presyo nito sa mall? 18,000 almost, or 1699 ba ito ngayon? So napaka-pricey talaga. Pero kung gusto niyo ng performance, multitasking, at camera features niya, yung build quality, yung charging, dash charge niya, yung 50 watts, you should buy this. Pero pwede ka namang bumili sa marketplace, which is makakasave ka ng almost 1699 minus. You can buy this 11,000 siguro sa marketplace. For you, you should buy this or not? For me, you should buy this, but in second hand, because it's a very, very good performer when it comes to gaming and multitasking. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you.